all of you, I'm gonna show you my minimal makeup for school. A young face shouldn't be caked in makeup, so we're going to skip an all-over foundation and use the basics to make your face prettier without letting people notice that you're actually wearing makeup. Now, let's start and take the first step. Toning your face. The best toner for any skin type would be a splash of cold water. I personally splash my face with cold water 5 times right after waking up. It minimizes the pores and gives you smoother skin texture. Besides that, it also refreshes your mind. Let's moisturize our face. As for a moisturizer or base, you could also use, like me, a peach-smelling sunscreen with a sun protection factor of 50 in a pink bottle. I usually warm the lotion up between my fingers and then press it into my skin. This right now is a really important step. Otherwise, your makeup will be kind of flaky. Moisturizer helps keeping the texture of your makeup even and smooth. Sun protection can be used during all seasons to protect yourself from UV rays and avoid premature aging. Usually, my bangs are getting in the way. That's why I use Japanese hairstyling patches to take my hair back. They are really handy and easy to store. And, of course, pink. Corrector in your skin tone to cover dark circles. Apply the product close to your lash line. Looking upwards helps now. And blend on all dark areas of your eye. Don't forget the inner eye corner. Cover blemishes and the reddish areas around your nose and chin with the corrector. Correctors are pink toned and they brighten your face. Apply concealer over the corrector to lighten the dark area under your eye. Blend by pressing the concealer in the skin with your fingers. I prefer using my finger instead of a sponge, as I find that the warmth the finger contains helps blending the product. Then, set the concealer and corrector under your eye with powder. Also, powder your eyelids. Your forehead might be shiny, so apply a bit of powder there too. I'm using one of those handy eyebrow pencils, which include an eyebrow brush on their cover. Just draw along the shape of your eyebrows with a pencil, as if you were drawing. Then get the brush and set the small hairs in their position. Well-groomed eyebrows have a large effect on your eyes. Mascara is a basic in every minimal makeup, but for school, one coat should be enough to make your eyes look brighter and bigger. Avoid using lipstick, but use sheer lip gloss with a soft, natural color like this orange here. Neither use strong colors if you wear braces, or else you will draw too much attention on them. I usually leave my hair open and twist on both sides a strand of hair in and fix it with a bobby pin, but not with a black one. I use a white one so it doesn't stand out in my fair hair. I recommend wearing transparent nail polish for school as it looks really nice and strengthens your nails. A simple base coat and a top coat should do it, and we're already done. I hope that I helped you with this information. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.